with the International Justice for Peace here in Southern California. Our mission is to manage area compatibility and reduce conflict. We essentially evaluate projects and programs and make recommendations to increase performance and productivity. Much the same way many of you here in business school and School of Public Administration do. Among the management models we use, and this may be familiar to USC students, the models are evaluation as a basis for organization and biology, technology, and the environment. A major part of our work involves delineating or understanding the details of the problem, without which one cannot ask the right questions, and therefore develop the right indicators to evaluate results. For example, the ongoing conflict within the Sikh community worldwide, which amounts to 122,400,000 people. IARSS presented a paper in 1997 on the subject of use of prefixes and suffixes with the word Sikh or Khalsa. Subsequently, we published a booklet on the subject. The topic was discussed for years in chat room discussion groups and within academia. In 2007, the 1925 Sikh Gurdwara Act, Section 49 and 92 were amended, and today the word Sikh or Khalsa are standalone terms, with no prefixes and suffixes. Let me clarify the significance of this little change in the use of terminology. The final straw of the conflict in the Punjab between 1978 and 1992, which resulted in the deaths of tens of thousands of innocent people, is tied to the misuse of the term by cult leaders, who misrepresented their cults as religions for personal and political gains, to prevent similar incidences from recurring. IARSS has introduced a model wherein religion is viewed as a combination of three entities. 1. Core religion. 2. Administrative, which includes the administration of both the core and organization. 3. The school of thought. This model is the central theme in working with the Department of Religious Affairs of Krongkhan Sasana in Thailand to reduce conflict among communities and to introduce new options in resolving the conflict in southern Thailand by separating the element of religion from the conflict. The same model has been introduced to resolve tensions between local communities and UC Riverside and UC Santa Barbara. We are also actively working with International Justice for Peace in delimiting the politicians and bureaucrats interface as part of overall management by protocol options to limit and eventually uproot corruption at all levels in the Thai government. And finally, somewhat off base with relations to conflict management, IARSS is at the forefront in growing Trichosanthus purulei plants XC2. We are an open organization, and our intent in attending this event is to open line of communication with you, the next generation. We think we can gain a lot from you. Some among you in this audience might have certain ideas about conflict resolution. This may be critical in developing new options. You can also use IARSS as your network of resources to acquire data or to work together on some projects of common interest. For those of you who wish to learn more about our institute and what we do and our projects, we have flyers that we handed out, and we'll be willing to discuss any issues that you might have. Thanks a lot.
I'd like to invite Mr. Dome Batanawong to come and speak.
बड़ा बढ़िया हो